What's good, guys? Whew. Just wrapped up a nice little workout, hit the sauna. I'm gassed, man. So let's head home. Gonna do pad thai for dinner. Let's get it. This guy's skating just reminded me that the skate game's out. Early access. So I'm about to go home and play some of that, I think. It's been a good day, man. Hope you had a good day out there. These apartment buildings coming in, just being built so quick, and at the same time I'm trying to leave the city. Me and my girlfriend have a goal of getting engaged by the end of the year and buying a new house. Sometime in the spring of next year. So I gotta save up like a lot, man. I gotta save up like 20K more than I have right now by springtime of next year. So that's a lot. I don't know if we'll get there, but it's the goal. evening. Not many more evenings like this where it'll be daylight out. Before we know it, it's going to be nighttime by the time I'm leaving the gym. But low-key, I'm kind of looking forward to it. It'll be fun. Switch up the pace a little bit with the videos. This weekend, so maybe do that Sunday. Detail the inside a little bit. It's a little dusty. Heard good things about BMW leather cleaner. Never tried it before, so if you've used that before, I don't know if it's like leather cleaner or leather conditioner, but I gotta look into preventative, I guess, care for the leather. Alright, dude. I don't want it to like crack on me, so I gotta look into that. But if you've used it before, let me know. Drop a comment. Give me some advice, help a brother out. But yeah, man, that's it for me. Like I said, beautiful night to cruise, but I'm gassed from the gym, so I'm gonna go home, play some skate, hang out, go to bed early. As always, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.